In the vast and intricate realm of theoretical physics, few ideas have captured the imagination and curiosity of both scientists and the public like string theory. At the forefront of this scientific revolution stands Greene, a renowned physicist celebrated for his eloquent and accessible explanations of complex cosmic concepts. Greene's groundbreaking work has brought string theory into popular culture, inviting us to consider a universe far stranger, more mysterious, and more interconnected than we ever imagined. String theory proposes a radical and transformative idea. The fundamental building blocks of the universe are not point-like particles, but tiny, vibrating strings of energy. These minuscule strings, far smaller than anything visible through our most powerful microscopes, vibrate at different frequencies, giving rise to the diverse particles and forces we observe in nature. Imagine a guitar string, capable of producing a multitude of notes depending on its vibration. Each note is unique, yet part of a harmonious whole. Similarly, string theory suggests that the universe is a grand symphony, a cosmic orchestra of vibrating strings, composing the intricate and beautiful music of reality. Through the lens of string theory, we begin to see the universe not as a collection of isolated objects, but as a harmonious interplay of energy and vibration, interconnected in ways we are only beginning to understand. This paradigm shift has profound implications, not only for our understanding of the cosmos, but also for our place within it, urging us to rethink our connection to the universe. Imagine the universe as a vast, intricate symphony where every element plays a crucial role in the grand composition. Instead of musical instruments, we have these minuscule strings, vibrating at different frequencies, creating the fundamental particles of our universe. Each vibration, each note, corresponds to a different particle or force, much like how each musical note contributes to a melody. The electrons that power our devices, the photons that illuminate our world, the gravity that holds us to the earth, all arise from the harmonious interplay of these vibrating strings, creating a symphony of existence. This cosmic symphony is not a chaotic cacophony, but a beautifully orchestrated performance where every element is in perfect harmony. The laws of physics, as we understand them, are like the conductor's baton, guiding the strings and shaping the music of the cosmos, ensuring everything follows a precise rhythm. The elegance and harmony of this concept have led some physicists to describe string theory as the music of the spheres, a poetic and profound idea. This resonates deeply with ancient philosophical and spiritual traditions that have long recognized the importance of vibration and frequency in the makeup of reality, seeing the universe as a grand symphony. From the Hindu concept of Om, the primordial sound of creation, believed to be the vibration that underlies all existence, to the Pythagorean belief in the harmony of the spheres, where celestial bodies move according to musical principles, humanity has long sought to understand the universe through the language of music, finding a deep connection between sound and the cosmos. String theory provides a compelling scientific framework for these ancient intuitions, bridging the gap between science and spirituality. One of the most mind-boggling aspects of string theory is its prediction of extra dimensions beyond the three spatial dimensions we experience in our daily lives. These dimensions are not just theoretical constructs, but are believed to be fundamental to the very fabric of our universe. These extra dimensions, curled up and hidden from our perception, are thought to be essential for the mathematical consistency of the theory. They provide the necessary framework that allows string theory to function and explain the fundamental forces of nature. Scientific data from particle accelerators, such as the Large Hadron Collider, supports the existence of these dimensions by showing how particles behave at incredibly high energies. These experiments hint at the presence of dimensions beyond our observable three. Just as the strings themselves vibrate in multiple dimensions, so too might our reality be interwoven with these unseen realms. This interconnectedness resonates with spiritual teachings that emphasize the unity of all things, the idea that we are all part of a vast, interconnected web of existence. It bridges the gap between science and spirituality, offering a holistic view of reality. The concept of extra dimensions challenges us to contemplate the possibility of a universe far richer and more mysterious than we ever imagined. It encourages us to embrace the unknown and seek deeper understanding. Recent advancements in theoretical physics and cosmology provide further evidence for the interconnectedness proposed by string theory. Studies on cosmic microwave background radiation and gravitational waves offer insights into the fabric of space-time, supporting the idea of a deeply interconnected universe. For centuries, the dominant scientific paradigm has been materialism, the belief that the universe is fundamentally composed of inert matter. String theory, however, suggests that matter itself is not fundamental, but rather an emergent property of vibrating strings. We are not particles in a deeper level. We are waves that, once there is an observer, they transform into matter as we know it. If the universe is at its core a conglomerate of vibrating strings, then reality is less about stuff and more about energy, frequency, and vibration. This aligns with ancient wisdom traditions that have long emphasized the importance of these subtle forces in shaping the universe. From the prana of yogic philosophy to the qi of traditional Chinese medicine, many cultures have recognized the existence of a vital life force that animates the physical world. String theory provides a compelling scientific framework for understanding these ancient intuitions. This view of reality has profound implications for how we see ourselves and our place in the cosmos. Gap 3S. One of the most fascinating experiments that sheds light on the wave nature of reality is the double-slit experiment. Conducted first in the early 19th century by Thomas Young, this experiment has profound implications for our understanding of the universe. Imagine a barrier with two parallel slits and a screen behind it. When particles like electrons are fired at the barrier, something extraordinary happens. If one slit is open, the particles behave as expected, forming a single band on the screen. However, when both slits are open, an interference pattern emerges, suggesting that the particles are behaving like waves. But the intrigue doesn't stop there. When scientists tried to observe which slit a particle went through, the act of measurement itself caused the particles to revert to behaving like particles rather than waves. This demonstrates that the mere act of observation can alter the fundamental nature of reality. The double-slit experiment reveals that particles, the building blocks of our universe, can display both particle-like and wave-like properties. This duality is at the heart of quantum mechanics and supports the idea that the universe is fundamentally composed of waves or vibrations. This experiment is a powerful illustration of how the act of observation is intertwined with the reality we experience. The double-slit experiment is a key piece of this puzzle, revealing the wave-like fabric of our reality. Now let's consider humanity's place within this grand design. We are not mere observers in this cosmic play. We are active participants, our actions and intentions resonating through the strings of the universe. Every thought, every emotion sends ripples through the fabric of reality, influencing the world around us. It's a humbling and empowering realization, don't you think? This brings us to a moment of contemplation. What does it mean to be a part of this interconnected web of existence? How can we align our lives with the harmonious vibrations of the universe? It's a call to mindfulness, to awareness, to living with intention and purpose. Reflect on this and consider the impact of your actions on the world around you.